To help you along a bit farther when you're reading to your child or, or discussing the story with your child, particularly of a young preschooler who is maybe just at the listening stage or possibly the beginner reader. These are some of the actual questions that you'll want to discuss with your child that will really help put their thinking process in the order where they need to be to start reading for real and responding to the kinds of assignments that they're going to get when they get into the lower grades of school. So your beginner or your listener, you're going to be asking the who, what, where, when, why, and how of the story elements. Who was in the story? Discuss that with your student or your child. Where was that character? Here we're getting the setting. What was that person's problem? And what did that person do? The what, we're into the plot, where there's always a conflict in the story. Discuss that problem with your child. Let your child realize that that's something that they need to pay attention to and focus. When? When did that happen? Ask. Ask your child, well, when did that happen? Trying to get the setting involved. Why did that happen? We're exploring the motivation of the character at that point, or the solution to the problem, if one exists. And how did that happen? To think about the problem and how it was, who caused it. We're going for antagonist, protagonist. Those words are kind of sophisticated for the preschooler, the child who's just at the listening stage. But I think you're going to get some very interesting comments from your young child because they understand a lot more than they would certainly be able to express in writing. So if they don't even know how to make a letter yet, uh, this interesting thoughts are certainly going through their heads. This is what you can expect from the listener or the beginner reader. Ask those questions and enjoy the conversation.